So I'm here in Hove at Dugard. I'm with Eric Dugard, the Managing Director of the company. Eric, some pretty breaking news here. You've taken on a new product range under your portfolio. Can you tell us about it?
Yes, certainly. We're very excited. We've signed up with IBARMIA from northern Spain to handle their range of travelling column machines and 5-axis machines.
And where does this fit in amongst what you supply here then, Eric? Because you have got a lot of machine tool technology already under your umbrella. What's the differences?
The main attraction, I think, is the capacity they offer. They go from a 1.5 metre X travel to probably up to 12 metres on the X, with 5-axis capability in terms of a B-axis, built-in rotary table, and even turning options.
So your audience then, who are you going to be aiming these at?
Our main approach will be to people maybe making larger subcontract parts, especially for the oil and gas industry and probably aerospace.
Good stuff. You can see these machines on Dugard's website. Am I right in saying it's dugard.com?
That's correct, and we'll have machines available to view in the UK in the near future.
And also you could go to Spain. People could go to Spain if there was a real interest in that type of technology.
Yeah, you'll be very impressed when you see the factory. Very high tech and very capable people.
Good stuff. Brand new products available here from Dugard. You heard it first on MTD.